With over 20 years of ignition interlock experience and statewide service locations, we continue to separate drinking from driving. We know that some of our ignition interlock clients and potential clients have questions, so we do our best to communicate some of those that are frequently asked through our blog and YouTube channel. One question we get asked a lot is, how long does it take to install an ignition interlock device? The required installation time will depend on your type of vehicle, but we recommend blocking off at least 2 hours to make sure you are prepared to not miss any other appointments or work.
There is no need to complicate this stuff. We keep our process simple, effective, and affordable. We hope you found this information very helpful. Just subscribe to this channel or visit smartstartal.com/blog for more information on other interlock and alcohol-related topics.